What's up guys, it's your boy Andrew Lawrence, aka Life on the Plates. So today guys, we are unboxing a beautiful piece of kit guys. Absolutely fantastic. So stay tuned. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, show you what comes in here, and if it's something you're thinking about as well, it will be absolutely maybe perfect for you. This is the first time I'm gonna have a look at it, put it all together and use it. So you guys is gonna go through the motion with me to see if my purchase was absolutely a good purchase to do my vlogs with. So anyway guys, before I get into this, just want to give a massive shout out to Heel Transport Services that make this video possible today guys. So a massive shout out to Heel Transport Services. All their details will be down below guys. They're absolutely fantastic. So yes guys, I've just ordered this amazing brand new 4K HD camera off Amazon. So I hope it works as well as I see it work on there with their specs and everything. Specs are okay, not the best, but we're gonna fix this up. We're gonna put this together and we show you guys how this bad boy work in the real world as well. Okay guys, so anyway, so let's get this camera out. So there it is, 4K UHD 265, you know, ORDRO. Sounds like you're about to order your meal. ORDRO 4K, up to 30 feet, Wi-Fi, digital zoom, and 3.1 inch screen. You know, so there it is. So you got your screen there as well. Okay, you can hear that, it just turns on automatically once I turn it around. So yeah, so everything is there. You've got your menus. It's there. You've got your menus, your off and on button. You have your zoom. You can take photos, you record and stop, and you got your night visions and stuff on there, and different places. So you got your battery. Boom, that's open. Okay, so it's at the back there, your battery. You press this little button here and that should just comes up like that. There we go. So that's your battery, like that. Pop that in. You hear the click. Boom. There we go. It's on again. So from feel, you know, feeling it, it's got a good weight behind it. It feels it feels good. It feels good. Can't complain about the weight of it. It feels like it's been well built and everything like that. So let's get putting it together then. So there it is. It took a bit of time, but it's all flipped together. This is just normal widescreen on. I put on there. You got your mic, your LD lights up there. You got a handheld there as well, you know, just to help you stabilize your movement with that. Obviously you don't get this. This is one of my own small tripod that I put on there just to stand it on the table for you guys. So yeah, obviously with my tripod I can do tilting and movement and whatever else with that. So that's really good. At the back there you've got your microphone, which is connecting, because I was looking for a microphone to plug it in, but then I realized you need there was one of these in there to plug your mic into. So I need to plug that in the camera first, and then the microphone into that. So that's absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful little piece of kit. You know, can't complain yet. Can't complain yet. So yes, I'm gonna take this out, give it a little test run, see how it looks, and you guys will be the first to see what it looks like, because I won't be able to see it until I've done all my recording and everything. There's some other things that was in there, guys. Let's just pop that there for a second. Turn that around. There we go. There for a second. You get your remote control in there as well. So I'm guessing when you start using it, you pull this little bit of plastic out. I don't think I'm going to use that, but anyway, that's good. Another little face cover for your lens. Make sure you protect your lenses. All in one. So you got this all in one little USB. So you can download all your images and everything from there to do what you need to do with that on computers. Some leads here, some HDMI or something like that leads right here. Some clips for your phone. I think you can pop this on your phone with one of the lenses. So you can just screw the lens in there and pop that on your phone. So you got that clip there to do that. So that's pretty handy, I would say. Put that on there. If you're just going out and you don't want to use the full kit, just the camera you want to go out with, you got this amazing little bag. This little bag here, you just pop your camera in there, and you got something for your belt. You know, pop that in, go out, do whatever shooting you need to do, and a strap to go with that as well. So there's quite a lot here, guys. You get stuff in there to clean your lenses, keep your lenses clean, your instructions, all these little things there, user manuals, stuff like that. What else? Another user manual, another lens cleaner in there, and you get a 64 gigabyte what is it, Kingston technology in there. So you get one of these to use in there, guys. Absolutely fantastic, 64 gigabytes, so that's really good. So anyway, I'm gonna test this out. So next face you will see is me being out testing this bad
So
boy
guys,
out.
I'm in my local shop,
Stick around
and
and I'll see
just
you
giving
on
this
the outside.
beautiful piece of technology a test out. You see, I'm so used to looking this part of the camera. I know I need to look at this part of it. But yeah, just in my local shop, doing what I do, just testing this beautiful piece out just to see how it works. And I think it'd be quite heavy doing it, holding it like this all the time.
So overall, guys, I would give this, from the way it handled, the settings, being able to put it together, you know, just the basics about it. I'm gonna give it a 3.5. A 3.5 out of a 5. So overall, a 3.5. Microphone, it's okay, but if you got a better mic than this, then obviously you can mount it on it. It turns on automatically when you opened it. There we go, it's on straight away. The changing of the lenses that you get spare with it, absolutely brilliant. Love it. It turns itself off once you close it. There we go. And just in here, guys, in this little thing here, because you've got you can tighten your holes on here. So just in here, that's where you've got your Allen key. Because I was thinking, where the hell am I going to find an Allen key to sort this out? But you do have your Allen key right in there. There we go. So you always will have it with you if you need it. So it's right in there. So yeah, so overall, it's a nice little piece of kit. This is going to keep me going. So from now on, this is where I'll be doing all of my vlogs with. It's a nice little piece of kit, you know, for someone who just starting out, as you probably can see with my YouTube channel. I've only been around for a little while, so I think this is good for me to continue doing my vloggings with. And guys, I hope this gives you some kind of idea of the kind of camera to get. 4K, which is okay. Have a lot of fun with the settings, guys. The settings on there is a lot of fun. The lighting as well, have a lot of fun with that as well. Boom, it's nice and soft, easy. So yes, guys, thank you very much for hanging with me and going through this ORDRO 4K HD 265 camera. Is absolutely fantastic. So if it's something like this you want to start doing your vlogging, I would say personally it is a nice kit to start doing vloggings if you are a vlogger for food vloggers. Myself, I'm a food vlogger, and I do stuff like this, reviews. So yeah, it's a nice little piece of kit. 3.5. I give it a 3.5. It is beautiful. It is beautiful, and you get this amazing carrier for it as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So yes, there you go. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next one, and happy vlogging. Peace.